Hey amazing moms, it's Nicole and I'm back, and this time I wanted to show you my 2018 planner accessories haul. I recently bought some of the brand new sticker value packs and some of the brand new sticker box rolls that have come out from me and my big ideas for my happy planner, and I want to share with you what I got for the 60% off rate. Literally got this stuff for pennies on the dollar, and I think I'll be set for the entire year in terms of stickers for my happy planner. So if you're interested in seeing what I hauled, stay tuned. Okay, so let's jump right in. I'm going to start with the value sticker packs. Some of these are new releases. Some of these are just things that have been out for a while, but I was waiting for the sale before finally buying it. So this one is the Mom Value Sticker Pack, which I've been wanting for a long time. So this is not a new release, but this is 1,439 stickers that are all related to mom life. And if you're a happy planner person, you've probably seen this many times. I've used some of the stickers already. So they have some quotes in there. Treat yourself, ready to start the day, but first coffee, lots of little coffee cups because I need that in my life to denote that it's time to get some coffee and treat yourself. Play date flags, special days, little icons to motivate yourself. This was essential for me. No school, late start, early release for schools, volunteering in school and conferences. As you can see, I've already torn into this, so this page is probably going to be done very quickly. Carpool stickers, lots of little stickers about the weekend and family time and TGIF. Food, because we all know as moms, food is essential and important. Meal plan stickers, whether you're going to be taking out or meal planning. Lots of what's for dinner stickers, which are critical. This is amazing. Just pages and pages of this. Game day, when the kids have sports, which is great because they'll be coming up in the spring. Lots of practices, sports, game days, times, where, when, details. All of that really essential. Shopping days, lunch date, hanging with friends, girls' weekends, dinner with friends, to buys, to do, shopping list, shopping stickers, getting it done, noted, pay bills. Lots of bills because we know we got a lot of bills to pay. Wonderful stars to denote important things and bullet point things. Laundry day, yes. Chores, all the days of my life. So as you can see, I've already reached in for that. Workouts, which is great. I can use this in my fitness planner, tracking steps, weighing yourself in. Appointments, yes, dentist appointments, doctor's appointments, picking up prescriptions for yourself or your family, shopping, because that's what we spend our life doing, grocery shopping, me time, and mani-pedis, things of that nature, date night, really cute things, and even for special days, Columbus Day, Labor Day, Cinco de Mayo, tax days, birthday pages, because you got kids and everybody has a birthday, and more motivational quotes as well as just stuff that's just essential. Travel arrangements, flight plans, packing lists, vacation, family vacation, and other little family related icons to mark off things in your planner so you don't have to write it down. You can just stick a sticker that says game night, family dinner, or movie night. So this was essential. Then I got the Happy Memory Keeping pack because I really needed all of these numbers. I'm not really going to go through this one, but pretty much it's not a planner sticker pack, it's a memory keeping plaque, but I needed it because I have an undated planner, so I needed it for my fitness and my daily life planner for the dates and the months and the stuff like that for the calendar, as well as things for denoting vacations and special days like vacations, holidays, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Grandparents' Day, Labor Day, things like that. So this is very essential for me. This is brand new. This is the tiny sticker pack, which is just, let me just show you the back. It's just got everything you need. It's got the cutest stuff. In my last video when I showed you my goal setting page that I made for my Happy Planner Mini, a lot of the cutest little icons came out of this. Payday stickers, just happy, cute little icons, and they all are the transparent ones, so they just layer so well in your planner. If you watch TV, for me, this would be used for YouTube. That's what I'm using because I'm not really a TV person, so when I have to record or upload something, I will use this next to whatever it is I have to do. Champagne glasses, because obviously that's important for some people. Lots of coffee, really cute. Just, I love every planners, little mini planners. I mean, come on, this sticker pack wash day, all the cuteness. There's so much cuteness in this. It's just chores, housework, meal prep, lots of hearts, anything you can think of, weather related. It's just all here. Emoticons, emojis, fitness, even cactus. And come on, this sticker pack is amazing. Okay, then I got the one that's specifically for the mini planner. This is the Choose Happy Mini Planner Value Pack, 749 stickers, and it's perfect for having a mini, and I have a mini planner because this really helps fill that space at the end of the week where there's a note section. If you want to just decorate it, pimp it out, or just have a place to jot things down that's just a lot prettier than just the regular paper, you can put that in. To-do list, there's just so much. So much. Love this one. And then I got another mini pack for the planner basics because again, I have an undated mini planner, so I needed the dates there to date that, and as well as just customized stickers that fit into that space because it is a tinier planner, so I needed tinier little stickers. So pizza night, weekends, again, food is essential, paying bills, hydrate, grocery shopping, laundry. Again, I'm so happy about all of these chore related icons because my life is spent cleaning the house and doing laundry. So those are the the value pack sticker packs that I got. Okay, I'm going to move into other accessories. So I bought this cute little snap in pencil pouch, which I ended up taking out because it was really bulky in my planner, and I just showed you the tour of that planner. I'll link that in the description box below. I have a deluxe cover, so I already increased the rings and this just didn't fit too well, but I plan on using this if I have a subsequent planner for whatever reason I need to carry things around. This is perfect for that. I think I got it for like $1.99. Then they have these really great pre-punched 40 sheets of note paper that have hourly checklists. Get it done, do this later. And then on the back it has a brain dump section. So the back of these sheets just has a plain page, so you can just write your to-do list or meal prep, meal plan, whatever you need to do. So these are essential. I've already put half of them in my planner already in its own separate section for to-do lists. And then I also picked up this really cute cover. It's not the deluxe cover. I don't know what you call this, but these are just the harder snap-in covers for the mini. And I feel like I really like this when I kind of get bored with maybe all the pink that's going on in the deluxe planner that I'm currently using. I can switch it up with this sometimes and it will go really good with my planner because of the gold rings. And who doesn't like black and gold? It's so classy. Okay, now onto the sticker boxes. I'm gonna go with the ones I've already opened. So this is the mom one, and in the mom pack, this is how they suggest that you set it up. You open it up, you tape down the sides, and you use it so that you can continue to pull from the roll. So these are the only 2 rolls in this pack that I have opened. There's 5 rolls in each pack, but what's great about this is that it has a lot of laundry, clean, me time, treat yourself stickers, carpool, game night, appointments, and those kinds of icons. More dinner planning icons. You can never get enough of those. More checklists. Again, you just need checklists, okay? You just need it. I religiously use these. So this is great. Perfect for mom life, and even if you're not a mom. Then there's the menu sticker roll box, which is great again for meal planning, for long grocery lists, for shopping lists, and just to denote that you're going grocery shopping or what kind of food you're having that night. Taco night, pizza night, breakfast for dinner. Love how simplified that is. You can just throw that in your planner and say, hey, we're having pizza tonight. Okay, another one that I recently opened is the home life. So this is for grocery shopping, TV viewing. Again, I'm not really a TV person, so I'm using it to denote when I need to record or upload a video on YouTube. I have a honey-do list, things I want my husband to do, a chore list, critical, okay? Critical. I feel maybe every spread in my planner is probably going to have a chore list and a checklist in there. And then again, wash day, because I'm a mom and I have 3 kids and I'm always washing stuff. So then I got the fitness sticker roll pack, which is critical once again. Strength training or cardio, workout logs, little scales for you to weigh yourself, breakfast, lunch, and dinner stickers that you can just pop into your planner real quick if you really want to stay on top of what you're eating, and the number of steps. So if you have a Fitbit or if you carry your iPhone around, you can track how many steps you took that day, which is very good for tracking your fitness. And finally, I got this schedule one. So 5 rolls of schedule stickers, which is amazing. So if one day you're just crazy busy and you know you're gonna have to track things on a hourly schedule. You can throw that in your planner. More little motivational quotes, things that are due, meetings that you have to go to, appointments that you have, very long checklists and schedule lists broken down by the hour. Appointment, can never have too many appointment stickers to tell you when, where, and the details of the appointments for yourself, your husband, your kids. And then power hours for those days where you know you really need to block off a few hours to get something focused and seriously done. They have those too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my planner accessory haul. I'm good for the year. I will not be purchasing anything else planner related. I have my mini planner and I have all my accessories and I'm good to go. I hope you guys caught the sale. What did you get? Let me know, and what did you like the absolute best from the new release from Happy Planner? So I will see you guys next time. I hope you're having an amazing year so far, and I will talk to you later. From one amazing mother to another. Bye.